Land your dream job in 7 days, proven strategies that work. Welcome to MBA Tech Hub, the channel that makes mastering software, whether you're a beginner or a pro, quick, easy, and fun. In today's video, we're discussing 5 common reasons why people get rejected after interviews and how you can avoid them. If you've been struggling to land a job, these insights could be the breakthrough you need. Let's dive right in. Reason 1: weak first impressions. First impressions are everything. Research shows that interviewers often make a judgment about candidates within the first few seconds of meeting them. Factors like your body language, appearance, punctuality, and handshake all come into play. If you arrive late, slouch, or seem distracted, it can instantly give off a negative vibe. In the virtual world, interviews over Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet are increasingly common. But just because you're behind a screen doesn't mean first impressions matter any less. Poor lighting, background clutter, or even technical issues can harm your credibility. But how to avoid it? Dress appropriately, even for virtual interviews. Choose professional attire that fits the company culture. If your interview is virtual, ensure good lighting and a clean, quiet environment. Join the meeting a few minutes early to avoid technical mishaps. Maintain eye contact by looking at the camera, not the screen, and greet your interviewer warmly. Reason 2: lack of preparation. Preparation is critical for standing out in an interview. Many candidates get rejected simply because they don't take the time to understand the company or the role they are applying for. Walking in unprepared shows a lack of interest and professionalism. Employers expect candidates to know the company's values, goals, and key projects. They also look for candidates who understand the challenges of the role and can offer solutions. If you can't answer basic questions like "What do you know about our company?" or "Why do you want this job?" it's a red flag for interviewers. How to avoid it? Research the company's mission, recent projects, and competitors. Mention these during the interview to show you've done your homework. Review the job description thoroughly. Be ready to explain how your skills align with the role. Prepare questions to ask the interviewer. For example, ask about team structure, ongoing projects, or company culture. Taking the time to prepare will set you apart as someone genuinely interested in the job and ready to contribute. Reason 3: poor communication skills. Even if you have all the necessary qualifications, poor communication can cost you the job. Interviewers are not just evaluating your answers, they are also paying attention to how clearly and effectively you convey your thoughts. Rambling, providing disorganized responses, or using filler words like or "you know" can make you seem unsure or unprepared. One of the most effective ways to communicate during an interview is by using structured answers. For example, when discussing past experiences, use a clear format to describe the situation, what you did, and the results you achieved. How to avoid it? Use the STAR method to structure your answers: situation, task, action, and result. This ensures your responses are well organized and easy to follow. Practice your answers to common interview questions aloud before the interview to build confidence. Speak slowly and clearly. Take brief pauses if you need to gather your thoughts. Avoid jargon unless you are sure the interview terms. The goal is to be understood, not to impress with fancy words. Mastering effective communication can leave a lasting positive impression and demonstrate your ability to collaborate with others. Reason 4: poor attitude or work ethic. Your attitude speaks volumes. Even if you have the right technical skills, interviewers are also assessing whether you will fit into the company culture. A negative attitude, showing disinterest or bad-mouthing previous employers, can make you seem like a risky hire. On the other hand, enthusiasm, curiosity, and a willingness to learn will make you stand out. Employers value team players who are adaptable, cooperative, and willing to go the extra mile. They want someone who will not only do the job well but also contribute positively to the team dynamic. How to avoid it? Show genuine enthusiasm about the role and the company. Smile, stay positive, and express your excitement about the opportunity. Avoid speaking negatively about previous jobs, bosses, or colleagues. Instead, focus on what you learned from past experiences. Demonstrate that you are a problem solver by sharing examples of challenges you have overcome. Emphasize your willingness to grow and develop within the company. This shows that you are not just looking for a paycheck but a long-term career path. Your attitude is often more memorable than your answers, so make sure it reflects professionalism and optimism. Reason 5. Overconfidence or desperation. Striking the right balance between confidence and humility can be tricky. While confidence is essential, coming across as arrogant can backfire. For instance, if you claim to know everything or seem dismissive of feedback, interviewers might see you as difficult to work with. On the other hand, sounding desperate, such as by saying you'll take any job, can make it seem like you are not truly invested in the role. Employers prefer candidates who are confident in their abilities but also open to learning and growing. They want to know that you are genuinely interested in the position and not just applying out of desperation. How to avoid it? Be confident but acknowledge areas where you can improve. For example, say, "I'm skilled in project management using Asana, but I'm eager to deepen my knowledge of agile practices." Avoid phrases that sound desperate, like "I'll do anything" or "I just need a job instead." Emphasize why this specific role excites you. Express confidence in your ability to contribute, but also a willingness to learn from others. When discussing past successes, give credit to team members where appropriate to show that you value collaboration. Striking the right tone will make you come across as professional, capable, and team-oriented. Bonus tip: master virtual interviews like a pro. Virtual interviews are becoming the norm, and mastering them can give you an edge over other candidates. Familiarity with platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet is crucial. A smooth virtual interview shows that you are comfortable with technology and prepared for remote work. How to prepare. Test your internet connection, camera, and microphone beforehand to avoid technical issues. Practice using features like screen sharing and virtual whiteboards, as some interviews may require you to present or share documents. Position your camera at eye level and use a neutral background to appear more professional. Ensure your environment is quiet and free from distractions during the interview. Being tech-savvy will show employers that you are ready to adapt to modern work environments. Conclusion and call to action. Let's recap the 5 reasons people get rejected after interviews. 1. Weak first impressions. 2. Lack of preparation. 3. Poor communication skills. 4. Poor attitude or work ethic. 5. Overconfidence or desperation. Avoiding these pitfalls can significantly increase your chances of success. And remember, at MBA Tech Hub, we make mastering software quick, easy, and fun, whether you're a beginner or a pro. So, if you're preparing for a role that requires software expertise, we've got you covered with tutorials and tips to boost your skills. In our next video, I will show you the best software to create your magnetic CV, the type that makes your prospective employers restless until they reach out to you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to MBA Tech Hub for more career insights and software tutorials. Drop a comment with your biggest interview challenge. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching MBA Tech Hub. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.